Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix smart lock not working in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on Google Play Services and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of Google Play Services. After clear the cache memory, then go back and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and then click on reset all settings. Now here enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.